Hi Logan Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm unboxing, I wonder what he's saying. Playdoh please, Logan. We want Playdoh. Okay, you're all asking. I brought Momo, so that was about a day. Probably not here vlogging, I wish. This is a Playdoh dentist. You see that? That guy got some real teeth looking. So what's your favorite Playdoh? Comment down below. Hashtag Logan Squad. So I cannot wait for these because I have played Playdoh about, I don't know, I was about little, but I feel like when I was a little boy. So this is not, it's appropriate for hash brown right there. Hash brown. So I'm not sponsored by, this is not sponsored by, right, so this is not sponsored. Alright, let's get started. Right, this here, that one, that's only Playdoh. That one, and this one. And this one again. That one. Wow, there's so many accessories. And even this one. And tools. And that one. Right. So yeah, that's it. Alright, so here's the top box. What's this in here? You see it all wrapping. Wow, look at that. It's right. Well, and that is the head from cement. And I don't know, something instructions, but this is not a Lego instruction book because I think I could play instruction, I guess. Alright, I had to put head to connect together. Alright, and here we go. How did I do? Come on. And let's take a look at instructions. Alright, so that one you have to do, oh, you can put that one. Just that one. Oh, this one. Okay, what do I put? Oops. Right. Pour it in. Yeah, I put that one, of course, but in the instruction book got the pieces, but plain. Oh. Okay. Can you do? Alright, I don't know. Alright, guys. There we go. Awesome. Right, now let's put the head back together. Right, now instruction. Okay. Number 2, put the pieces here. Okay. Now here we go. Maybe not this one. Okay. And I don't know how to do that. No. There we go. Mr. Playdoh head, so looks cool. Got mustache and you have to collect instruction. You have to connect the head pieces to kill. Oh wow. Hello. Oops. Alright. Alright, so it's gonna be, how am I supposed to do? Right. Alright, so I'll see you in a minute. See you. Bye.